What's up everyone, this is Prajot from Technoworld, and in this video let's unbox the JBL T150 in-ear style headphones. So let's get started. So the headphones come in a really small box and a neat packaging. This is the JBL T150A pure bass T150 with microphone. So let's open the box. So we do get two extra earbuds for different sizes. So there is some paperwork. Instructions. In a few days I'll be posting the review of these headphones, and just like I did the Mi Pistons, I'll be doing the review on the basis of the build quality and the audio quality. So thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, do hit that like button and stay tuned for more videos.